Start biting it. Yeah, if you see him biting the fur there, hit him or let me know and I'll hit him for you. Yeah, Rachel bought a bunch of photo frames we're gonna use. We went to the thrift store last week. This thing's not so great actually. It's all bending. Oh yeah, don't use your hands to play with them though, because I'm trying to teach him not to use.
He doesn't
hands
put
as
his
toys.
claws out, but he bites.
Yeah, I noticed that. He keeps his claws in, but then he.
Remember how
Yeah,
Buddy used to get bad with the biting sometimes.
Yeah, if he starts biting you, just take attention away, because otherwise he's gonna learn to do that. Oh, grab something here. Oh, you want to go upstairs and take a look at the toilet?
Yeah.
Brian, you know about toilets too, right?
Wow, he just did a flip.
Why are you following me?
Plays with the ball there.
Oh yeah. I mean, not all the time, but yeah, he does. And he has this. And it's a dead fly. Yeah, he loves little dead animals, little dead insects. And of course, being by the window, that's where they come up. What the heck is that? What?
Guys walking down.